Pathways to Wellness is a nonprofit holistic therapies clinic dedicated to providing affordable acupuncture, shiatsu massage, and Chinese herbs to all people needing care.
I first came to Pathways in late 2006 after my HIV diagnosis. I have been coming here for almost 4 years now on a weekly basis, and the benefit that I receive from my treatments is both measurable and immeasurable.
For over 20 years, Pathways AIDS Care Project has provided free acupuncture treatments to people living with HIV and AIDS.
The AIDS Care Project started in 1989, and it thrives today, 20 years later, in part because Pathways is so committed to it, and in part also because the people who come to ACP need and expect and want their treatments on a regular basis, and because those treatments help them in such profound and diverse ways. And I really hope that ACP is around for many years to come.
A friend had suggested that I try acupuncture when I was having difficulty getting pregnant. I'd been trying for 6 months and was getting pretty discouraged and frustrated, and nothing was working. So I had never tried acupuncture before and was really open to anything at that point. It really was the first time I felt hope about getting pregnant.
Pathways' highly trained and licensed practitioners are among the best in the country and are skilled at treating patients with complex health conditions.
I felt such peace, really well taken care of, and definitely felt like my stress level went down. And within 2 months of coming here, I had conceived Nate. I can't tell you the joy and relief in having conceived, and I continued to come periodically throughout my pregnancy. All of those annoying and troublesome symptoms that come with being pregnant, like nausea and back pain and poor sleep. And certainly the acupuncture here at Pathways helped with all of those things too.
I started coming here when we learned about the free clinic for veterans, and with a focus on post-traumatic stress symptoms. It's been a good experience, and I've referred a lot of veterans, I'm a veteran myself, to this clinic for a non-medical intervention for some of their symptoms.
When you pay full price for a treatment, you help subsidize the cost of our free and low-cost care for veterans like Joel, for people with HIV and AIDS, and for many others who cannot afford to pay full price.
One of the things that I noticed that I didn't anticipate was that I seem to be able to get my work done better, easier to, accomplish tasks, easier to focus. I think my mood and my spirit has been more mellow. This program is great. I would recommend Pathways to anyone. I can't speak more highly of it. And I love the fact that, at least for in the Veterans Program on Thursdays, it's free.
Pathways provides home care treatments for elderly and chronically ill patients, and for those who prefer to receive treatment in a more convenient and private setting.
So a lot of us that do home care for Pathways have other skill sets. I myself am a nurse and did home care for a lot of years. It's a very intimate, sort of compassionate way of being with people. Acupuncture, being holistic care, does take into effect the emotional, spiritual, mental, psychological, even occupational background of our clients. So the elderly patients that I see are often suffering from pain of some sort, knee pain, back pain, neck pain, and I treat a lot of that just for comfort and mobility. I also see people that are trying to get through chemotherapy or radiation that have a lot of digestive problems, and I'm able to help them with the acupuncture for that.
There are so many reasons to come and be treated at Pathways. It's the absolute top quality care. It's in a wonderful location in the South End, and while you're getting the best care in a wonderfully nurturing environment, you are also helping someone else have access to that care. And to me, that's the essence of Pathways.
You can share the care at Pathways simply by making an appointment for a treatment, purchasing a gift certificate, or making a donation. We rely on your help to ensure that no one is denied our care. Please call us today at 617-859-3036. Thank you for your support.